not gonna go anywhere, just give it a I'll do one more wheelie for you guys. I'll do a wheelie for you guys, one sec. Those kids get so happy. What's going on, guys? Alright, my bad.
Don't let if my kids want to hit your throttle, don't let kids do that, alright?
Alright, I got you.
You're out of your fucking mind?
Oh, no. No, it's that they always hit me up on Instagram and want me to come through here for them, so I decided to come through today. I was just on my way.
Here, I'll guarantee I'll take you right off that fucking...
Alright, I got you, man. I'm just trying to be a good, you know, I'm just...
You're being so fucking stupid then.
I'm just... I can control...
Take that out of here real slow.
Alright, I got you, man.
I'm a stunner, dude, trust me.
Alright,
don't let kids push you around like
fucking license.
Can I go?
Let's go for it.
Alright. Alright, sorry, man. And there you go.
Slow your ass down. That pizza ain't worth it. That's my life you're fucking with. Slow down.
because it's going to bring me nostalgia, and I love that.
Alright, so right here we see that the speed limit is 25. We also see that I'm going 25, but my speed fluctuates between the video anyway, but we see that the speed is 25. This becomes important later on.
I live in a few houses here, so, you know, I'm passing one right now. I'm not going to point it out, but you'll know if you know it. They've changed a lot of the houses I've lived in, and it kind of sucks. You know, I like the basic, we didn't do anything to it, but they did. Kind of sucks. But whatever.
So right here we see the first glance of this guy who is a royal prick. And just up ahead, the truck that is attached to the trailer, that is his truck. I am assuming, unless he stole it, which I wouldn't be surprised. But anyway, this guy's flipping out on me because I'm going a little too fast, but we'll see that in the future. Actually, you know what? That whole speed thing that I was going too fast, let's take that back, because we can see here that I'm going 26. I'm going the speed limit, or 1 mile over, which is not too fast. And of course, I also give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe I was going too fast, and I kind of say that I'm going 30. However, we can clearly see here that I was not going 30 at all.
I'm going 30, you fuck. What the hell's wrong with people? I don't understand. I turn on the camera and everything goes apeshit ballistic. Like, seriously. I cruise in this neighborhood at 30 all the fucking time, and I pass that guy a million times going the same exact speed. And only today, when I have the fucking camera, he decides to go, hey, you're going way too fast. You're going 30 and a fucking 25. It's 5 miles over. It's not like your brakes don't work or anything. You fuck off, dude. God damn it. I kind of want to pass him and be like, what do you want? Because fucking hell, I hate it. I don't understand. People want to create problems when they see somebody's recording, or like, what? Legit, I've never had a problem until I put on the camera. It's super annoying. It's like I'm fucking filming as a crime, it seems. Hopefully it's still recording. Is that him? What is he? Okay, wrong lane, boy.
Alright, so basically here we see that he decides to pull into my lane to stop me. If I had kept going, I'm pretty sure there might have been an accident. There might not have been. Anyway, he pulls in my lane to stop me so we can talk. And I'm going to think about this for a second. It took me a bit to get down the neighborhood. I was cruising at 30. It takes time for me to get in his truck, start it up, and since it's attached to a trailer, it's a heavier load. So I'm pretty sure he went over the speed limit just to catch up to me at the back of the neighborhood. So he kind of he's already a hypocrite and breaks what he already says.
Did you think I was joking when I said slow down?
Sir, I was only going 30.
It's 20 in this neighborhood, and there are kids in this neighborhood. Slow your ass down.
Alright, I'm sorry.
So at this point, I had apologized because I didn't want to deal with this anymore. You know, I had already ranted right after he started screaming and running towards me. I had no problem with it after circling around. But the fact that he caught up to me and did this, I was just like, okay, he clearly has had a bad day and he's wasting his stupid time because he's a stupid fucking prick. So, you know, this just upsets me. People like this who get on more riders' asses just because, you know, they think they're speeding or they think riders are doing something wrong when really we are not.
It's 25, fucker. Damn it. Literally, that's the first time I've been bitched at for fucking going the speed. Alright, you know what? I might be wrong. He might be right. It might be 20. It's 25. I fucking knew it. It was 25. Fucking retard. It's 25.
Alright, so in the future, I'm probably not going to be as apologetic. I'll probably be a little more aggressive if this happens again, because obviously if I know I'm in the right and they think I'm in the wrong, I'm going to pretty much prove that I'm in the right, because I don't want to deal with this anymore. It was a complete waste of my time, and it really upset me because of it. But other than that, thanks for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you didn't enjoy, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a more happier video, hopefully.